Types of lines and applications. Continuous thick. It is used to show visible outlines and visible edges. Continuous thin. It is used to show imaginary lines of intersection, dimension lines, projection lines, leader lines, hatching outlines of revolved section. Chain thin. It is used to show center line, lines of symmetry, trajectories. Chain thick. It is used to indicate lines or surfaces to which a special requirement applies. Chain thin, thick at ends and changes of direction. It is used to show cutting planes. Dashed line. It is used to show hidden outlines and hidden edges. Dashed thick. It is used to show hidden outlines and hidden edges. Chain thin double dashed. It is used to show outlines of adjacent parts, centroidal lines, and to show alternate position of moving parts. Continuous thin with zigzags. It is used to show a long break in the line. Continuous thin freehand. It is used to show limits of partial or interrupted views and sections if the limit is not a chain thin line.